Hello guys, so today we're going to use these wood. We're going to use two pieces. So with the first piece, I'm going to put some hot glue on the top like that, and then I'm going to use the bigger ones and place it on top. Then go ahead and spray paint it in white. After you spray paint it in white, we're going to use this Christmas ball. I'm going to put some hot glue at the bottom part, and then I'm going to attach it into place. So we're going to continue doing this to the next one and attach it in the middle, and then we're going to do another one at the end. After you attach all three of them together, just go ahead and take the top out because we were not going to use it. Then after that, I'm going to take some rocks and I'm going to place it inside. Make sure to put in all three of them. This is to give it some weight so it won't fall apart. Then go ahead and grab these cute little branches. I'm going to attach two of them together, put some hot glue at the bottom, and then I'm going to place it in the middle like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side just to make it cute. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and grab some flour, put some hot glue, and attach it in there. Then I grab this Christmas ball, the small one. I'm just going to go ahead and attach it in the middle. Then just go ahead and continue placing flour around it. I'm going to place a few of the Christmas ball on the side as well. And to attach it, the only thing you have to do, just grab your hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue, and attach it into place like that. Then after that, I'm going to take this reindeer, this one that comes that you could place it in the Christmas tree. I'm just going to take the string out. And then on the leg, I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it on the side like that. I'm going to take the other one and attach it in the other side. Then go ahead and take this bling wrap, put a little bit of hot glue and attach it at the top of the Christmas ball. You're going to do that to all three of them. Then after you're done, just go ahead and place your candle inside until you do all three candles like that. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple, so easy. This can be done for any Christmas decoration, and the good thing is that you can do it any color that you would like. Just make it like this one and add up. You could do red, gold. I'm going to show you a little bit of the gold in the last video. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take the Christmas ball out because we're not going to need it. I'm going to use this candle holder. I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue and attach it in the wood like that. So I'm going to use two of these on each side. Then I'm going to take a glass, put some hot glue on the candle holder and attach the glass on top, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other sides as well. Then after that, I'm going to use a little bit of the branches, place it around it, attach it with hot glue, and then just go ahead and fill it up with flowers also, and then put the Christmas ball inside. Then after that, we're going to place the candle inside, and this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super cute and super easy. And this is how cute the red one turns out. I'm giving you a different color so you can see that either way that you guys do it. And you can also don't do it with the white flowers. You could use other type of flowers as well, and I think it will look great as well. Or you could use one candle instead of two. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take this napkin rings and I'm going to put some hot glue, and I'm going to take one of these Christmas ball, attach it. Then I'm going to take another napkin ring and place it on top, and then you're going to put some hot glue and attach another Christmas ball on top like that. Then go ahead and take another napkin rings and place it on top, and then just go ahead and place the candle inside. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super cute and easy that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment and share and like.